Hi, it's John. Thank you very much for coming to this page. I'm so excited for you because I love to give back and I want to give back to you. I want to make you a success in affiliate marketing. So, whether you've never done this before or you're a frustrated affiliate marketer that's done so many YouTube videos and bought course after course and has not made any sales, I have the answer for you why you're not making sales. I'll share that with you in this video, by the way. Whether you're looking to make just a little income to supplement your job income to pay your bills, or whether you're going to want to truly replace your 9-to-5 job so you can spend time with your family, so you can spend time with your children, so you can do what you want when you want. That is the affiliate life. You'll get that in this video. Let me tell you my story. Back in 2020, I had a thriving martial arts school. I've been teaching jiu-jitsu for 46 years. It's my life. It's what I love. It's my purpose in life. I had a huge after-school program for kids. I had a large adult program, and I was making tons of money and just enjoying my life. But then, you know what happened, right? 2020, overnight, the government shut my business down. Overnight, they made all my students stay home. My income went to zero. I didn't know how I was going to pay the bills. I didn't know how I was going to pay the rent. But I have a thing in my mind that says I'll never, ever give up. I'll always find a way. So I went online and I looked for other ways to make income. And I fell in love with affiliate marketing. I fell in love with it because I watched the people that were doing it. There were successes and they were making money, working from home and enjoying their life. And I wanted to do that too. So I started studying day and night. I watched a YouTube video, read vlogs. I bought course after course. And you know how much money I made in 2 months? Zero. Not even one sale, not even close. Nobody really even paid attention to my marketing. That was really frustrating. But again, I've been following Tony Robbins for the last 30 years. And he says, if you really want to succeed in anything you do in life, find a mentor that's done it for real. Talk to them, learn from them, copy them, and you can be a success. I just didn't have the right mentor at that point. So I went and I looked online and I found everybody pointing to Dave Sharp. He is this genius in affiliate marketing. But when you hear his story later on, you're going to see how tough of a life he had and how much he built. Anyway, after he became successful, he wanted everybody to become successful too. So he made this online university that he calls Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer is made up of classes where you take from the mentors there, the successes that have already had successful affiliate marketing businesses, and they teach you from A to Z, everything that you need to know to succeed. But that's not going to make you a success. That's what I did, and that's maybe what you've done. You've studied, but you have nothing. Here is the secret, the key. They have a community in there to help you out of thousands and thousands of people. And more importantly, they have mentors, teachers, if you will, that you can talk to twice a day, every day, and you can ask them one-on-one questions. They will look at your back office, your funnels. They will suggest products. They will look at how you're driving traffic to your business. They will help you make it better so you start making sales. This is the key to succeeding in affiliate marketing right here, is them being able to talk to these mentors every day and following their advice to succeed because they've already done it. Now, how do you know you can succeed in affiliate marketing, the industry itself? Let's take a look. Do you believe that there's over 500 million people on social media every day? Yes or no? I know you said yes. All you need to do is capture maybe 10 of these people every day to buy your digital course or your product, and you'll have a monthly income that's substantial. So that's the key. And in fact, the whole affiliate lifestyle is driving traffic to a product that actually people want. If you can do that, you can make money. So let's talk about the next step. Let's say you believe that affiliate marketing exists and you can make money if you know how. And with the right mentors, being able to talk to them every day, you can succeed. Here's how we're going to proceed. Number one, I sent you an email, a booklet. It's the 30,000-foot view of affiliate marketing from beginning to end. And it's pretty detailed. Oh, by the way, when you get that email, if you could send me an email back and let me know you got it, I'll know we're going to probably be starting to work together. Number two, click the button down below. It's going to take you to Dave Sharp's Legendary Marketer. There is a 15-day challenge that costs $7. And you're going to take this 15-day challenge. You're going to pay the $7. If you don't think there's any value, by the way, the $7 is actually refundable. I know you're going to get value. Pay attention to day number 3 and day number 5. Day number 3 is where the mentors walk you through how to build your back office. And day number 5 is the most important one. In fact, it's so important you have to watch the whole video without interruption. They will make you do that. This one teaches you how to find your customers, their demographics, and how to go after them. Once you complete the 15-day challenge, shoot me another email, and then you and I are going to schedule a call, and then we're going to work together also to make sure you succeed. If during the 15-day challenge you have any questions, just shoot me an email. I'm really easy to get a hold of, okay? Steps again, check the email in your inbox, shoot me an email, let me know you got it. Click the button below, go to Dave Sharp, spend that $7, do the 15-day challenge, and then get back to me, okay? Until we talk again, be successful, my friend.